Hey burritos, welcome to the second in the series, Dutty Goes Abroad, vlog number 2. So now this make a show you when I went to the Wax Museum, we call it the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in NYC, Times Square. So let's check it out.
I'm at the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in Times Square. I'm with a fast and look on something here.
This is Princess Larry. Anna Hathaway. Wagwan. You good? Yeah, get more work? Oh my gosh, I have something in our teeth right so you know like when you kalalu, like siya piece of kalalu stuck in our jaw kana. Anna, man, look when you have piece of kalalu stuck in our jaw kana. You need to floss, Anna. You need to floss.
Yes, so now I'm there with Angelina Jolie, the biggest mantic of the century, and when you wear some Brad Pitt.
Oh my god, who's here now? Oh my god, it's Kim K, everybody. Oh my god, how are you? You're smiling. Oh my god, you look so hot. Look. But the most important thing, did she get the booty? Let's look around here. Oh wow, did she get? She gets it. Welcome, Kim K. How is it, Kim? Oh my god, it's Kim. Say hi to Kim. Say hi to Kim. Say hi, Kim. Hi, Kim.
Yo.
Oh my god, she's actually this tall or this short?
I don't know. Yeah, no, they do.
Yeah, I think they do.
Right?
Yeah, the exact height and measurement. Oh wow.
Yup, so now moving over to the general, him said Twilight. What's his name again? What's his name, Burritos? This is Taylor Lochner. I'm the play Team Jacob, Team Wolf, Fire Upon a Vampire. One brother. You get a more movie? That's the one movie you're going in, Jennifer, Wagwan, how is life since Angelina Jolie take your man?
Over in that area, who this?
Johnny Depp.
Who?
Johnny.
Mr. Paris of the Caribbean, Johnny Depp. But not let them do a good job. Watch out. Down to the cuticle in their ear. Down to the whatever in their ear. Watch out. No, people tell the got you. They don't do a good job. Watch out. This is RuPaul. Apparently, RuPaul. We don't need to hail you up. Pick up yourself, RuPaul. And over here, so now, we're done the Team Wolf. So now we have Team Vampire. Dirty stinking cranny. Old Zarbat, according to Miss Kitty. Eddie, what's my actual name? What is his actual name? What's my actual name? Robert Pattinson, you PJ related?
I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Best mid-love, pick up yourself. Oh my gosh, touch you one banana breast.
So now, is the general, them say supposed to be Denzel Washington. No, you look like Denzel, cousin, uncle, brother. Grand second cousin, something. But if you said Denzel Washington, with them kaya and the like mode, nah, I'm not really feel. Oh my god, J-Lo, look how J-Lo look good. Catch her in a little Beyonce, Met Gala dress. My girl will see them on the bumper in a check. 360 on the bumper.
Got the ET section around here, and to ET there, where's he? Where's ET? Oh my lord. Oh my gosh, is this Steven Spielberg? Am I right?
I want to talk to you because I kind of want to break in a little movie thing, in an acting thing. I had the perfect person we need to talk to. So you can't say I can't get bust on a movie. I look at one room. Maybe do like just walking across the street, dude number 1. What do you say? Still at the Wax Museum, and this is Dracula. And what's his name?
Frankenstein.
Oh gosh, yes. And over here is Frankenstein. Still making my way in. And this he looks like Marilyn Monroe. Yeah, Marilyn Monroe. And this is Charlie Chaplin. Wow, my pop culture. Charlie Chaplin. Marilyn Monroe, the original goodaz, the original hot girl. Kim Kardashian have nothing on you.
Zongo, zeng. I said that if you have a paper, then you must have a pen. And if you have a start, must have an end. Which movie is this? Thieving Girl.
Stark is the most trusted name in cutting edge.
So now I'm in the room, in the section where them have all of the world leaders them. So yeah, so if you can't even, this is Nelson Mandela. Over here, so this is Pope John Paul II, Yasser Arafat, and all of them people there. See, we have Fidel Castro right here on here, sir. Helen Keller. Who else is this? The Dalai Lama and all them something there over here, so you can see this Jacqueline Kennedy, the Kennedys, and you have the Clintons. Everything good. And oh my god, isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? This is Princess Diana. Hi lovely. Hi beautiful. I have a dream that one day girls will stop taking man who don't belong to them. That they will stop wearing the big old long stiletto high in them gotta dance and have a go to the yard slippers when they cannot manage it. I have a dream that one day they will look at all man them so they can get a little rent money.
So now right here, so Whoopi Goldberg sister act, right? And Wolf, you know you want the Afro now, but you kinda need to do something about it. So I'm gonna scale like a cane road, Jesus please. Cane road, you're getting like a rope twist. Like when them get a girl them down on Princess Street, a nice girl. So they can have nice skin, I'm just gonna get like a rope twist, see them? One of them nice African flat there. See they and then trying it now, but I get like a trying it out. So yeah, I was telling you, Jimmy, I was from Jamaica, I'm from Jamaica, you know, and I used to grow up with my 4 brothers and sisters, all of us under one bed, and it was just so much fun. Wasn't it fun? Yeah. Wasn't it fun? Yes, it was fun. Turn around and say hi to the camera. I'm from Jamaica. Say hi, Jamaica. Yes, yes, yes. And this is a very wonderful moment. You know, I'm liking the fact that I'm here on Jimmy, on your show, Jimmy. And up next, who knows? I might be on Ellen and Oprah. And good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen. We are now at the start of the Wax Museum TV News with your host, Rashid. Live here in New York, and I'm getting to speak to some of the individuals that are attending the museum at this moment. How are you feeling? You're feeling lovely, ladies and gentlemen? Are you feeling lovely? You're feeling fine? Okay, that's it. That's it for me. I'm now signing out. Hang on. So now, when they're the music people, them section of the Wax Museum, and you can hear the music play. So Justin Timberlake over there, so. Alright, just so you have the general, you have the boss. Oh, this Pharrell. Oh my god, you're so pretty. You're so pretty, Alicia Keys. How are you? How are you, Alicia? Come on, chorus now, Ron. Sing it. In New York. Hey, come now. Jamaica, say big up Jamaica. Say big up Jamaica. Say big Jamaica. Big up Jamaica. Yeah, alright. Sing on.
So stay right in the middle. Yeah. Big smiles. Awesome. Now can you come sit on the desk and answer the phone? Awesome.
Poppy Music Campus. One already. Poppy Music Campus. Wait, there's something now be. And look who my left from Jamaica come back up. That is Bob Marley over there. See a girl over there getting her drumming on. No, this is NSYNC. See them there? NSYNC. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Hi, Jamaica.
Salut, Jamaica.
Yeah. See? Can't go anywhere without buck up Bob Marley. Bob Marley, walk on. Pick up yourself. Harry, jump, yo. Anna. Oh, it's a Puff Daddy over there, so. Who else? Who is this? Selena Gomez. You got me thinking on something I can't compare to nothing. So that is the end of the tour of the Madame Tussauds Museum in New York, Wax Museum. It was good, it was nice. I enjoyed myself. Hopefully I'll be back sometime soon.
But that's it, burritos. Thanks for watching my second vlog, Dirty Goes Abroad. Hope you like it. Make sure you like it, comment, share, and you subscribe. If you want to be really close to me, you can follow me on Instagram at Dirty Show. Same thing for Twitter. And if you want, email me, book me, and all them something there. It is dirtyburieshow@gmail.com. Alright, peace out, and look forward to vlog number 3 next week.
Oh my god. So look who the riders are now. Wood steel, wood sexy body. Nice, clean, bit and tight and right. I use it. Oh my god, come. Oh. Just hold it up.